Gemini twins born on this day are the epitome of the proverbial iron fist in the velvet glove. Rarely augmentative or abrasive, you get your way through charisma and charm. Even when you decide to play hardball, others may not realize that they have been in a fight. You are extremely shrewd yet flexible enough to adjust yourself to people and events. In your search for harmony and perfection, you consider all sides of an issue. At times, you have great difficulty coming to a concrete conclusion. The paralyzing effect of indecision can cause you miss out on some of life's best opportunities. The May 15th individual knows a little about a lot of things, yet gives the impression of being deeply knowledgeable. A quick study, you absorb the pertinent points of new subjects with surprising ease. Your agile mentality make it possible for you to field most questions with witty, off the cuff marks. Your extraordinary ability for communication allows you to get your ideas across swiftly and convincingly. You are a natural for any career related to advertising, sales, athletics, education, writing, speaking, or acting. Although you yearn for a permanent life partner, your freedom loving Gemini sun tends to prefer flirting to commitment. You may go through a fairly long string of romances before eventually finding and settling down with your one true soulmate.